Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka number 61. Having restrained them all, he should sit steadfast, intent on me. His wisdom is steady, whose senses are under control.
Chapter 2, Shloka 61. तानि सर्वाणि संयम्य युक्त आसीत मत्परः वशे हि यस्येन्द्रियाणि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता.
Chapter 2, Shloka 61. So far, Lord Krishna described the attributes of a man of steady wisdom. He has given up all desires and is satisfied in the self by the self. His mind is not shaken in adversity and he does not hanker after pleasures in prosperity. He is free from attachment, fear, and anger. While roaming about everywhere, he doesn't rejoice or hate on meeting with both good and bad. Like a tortoise, he can withdraw his limbs at will. His wisdom is steady. Lord Krishna also warned that even when the senses have been controlled, a longing still remains, which is overcome on seeing the Supreme. He further warned that the turbulent senses loot away the mind of even a wise man if he is negligent in his austerities. In this shloka, Lord Krishna tells us that one who has controlled the mind and restrained the senses sits steadfast and contemplates on me. He is a man of steady wisdom. The importance of controlling the senses is again and again highlighted. However, there should never be a suppression. There should only be sublimation, which has to be cultivated through inward blossoming, which comes as a result of the control of the senses. The practice involves withdrawing the mind from the negative and applying it on developing the positive. This is achieved by constantly being intent on Him. This is the technique of self-development. This involves a process of removing the old impressions from the past. This is finally achieved by exposing the mind to quiet meditation, where the sense organs surrender on their own to the higher in us. One who has discovered infinite perfection in himself is called a man of perfection. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available. To understand Gita, Join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.